side.
Yeah.
Miss Ro.
I was sexy, baby.
Miss Ro, sweetie.
Even me, I want to do that.
I mean, I'm a pen bitch. I'm a pen girl. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, okay, I'll go for silver. That one.
But Diamond, I want to do the Helix. The Helix.
Have you checked that?
80. I'll pay 50.
No, they don't reduce the price. They actually don't.
Hey!
Only reduce it if like you return once in a while. And then you bring someone else. Yes, because the last time I came, I asked for a discount and they were like, oh, the next time, 4 times.
Yeah, I get to it.
Yeah, so breaking my heart.
Oh, my dear.
Let's get yours.
You reduce.
I'll get mine. Wait,
The 200, right?
I want to get it for the video. Okay, I just want to get it for the video. My 18th. So then what's the best discount you can give me for the Helix?
Oh, you the boom
Boom boom bang crab.
You are new here.
And in your
Don't talk about your discount.
The
next time you pop in.
I don't pierce a lot. This will be my
I'm not
last
saying you
piercing.
I said the next time you pop in there with the different clients, you give them discount.
These are my friends, and they have brought me out. There's nobody else in my life that I'm bringing here. You bow. This is the circle. It's finished. SM Sunni.
So how much? How much are you? You have to video me one bag.
I'll say don't talk.
Right now you bought yours. Right now you bought. Oh wow.
I know Paul. It's like, I don't want to say it.
So you're going to do the belly. You're going to do the belly and where?
I'm not doing it.
Just the nose. But you had a nose. Oh,
I know, right? So I'm doing it again.
Shebi, you are silly.
Come here, comfortable. Nose mask.
Oh yeah, true. But you know you'll be wearing nose masks again, right? I want to say Omicron virus. Omicron virus about. At this point, those in this house, there's some hoes in this case. Yeah, as you can see, they're cleaning the nose. I like how they do like the whole hygienic thing.
It's so yeah, cleaning Fenty.
Please, she's wearing Fenty beauty makeup. Don't clean her Fenty, oh. It casts.
I think it's even kind of obvious.
The hole is in there.
Can you see the
Sure, he wants to mark his own bearings.
What's your name?
Ajua. Now that you know my name, you give me a discount today. Me, Miss Kasuri. No, sometimes free things are good. The way you're a fool, bro. You're an idiot. Yeah, I'm an AG. Here we go. Shut up. Oh, yes, daddy. Oh, take me long. Fuck.
It's like you're mad.
Why are you singing gospel?
I'm going to mute this, I promise.
You have done. Don't remove it. There's a hole in your nose. There's a hole in your nose. This is a bad decision. This is a good decision. So they bad bitch for next December. You this. Are you fainting? Don't faint, bro. Don't faint. Let us take you away. Oh, pretty. This is so pain.
What is
Cry for the camera, bitch.
What else?
Yeah. Okay.
You're doing so well, boo boo. You're doing well. Does it hurt? Just a little. You're doing great. You're doing amazing.
I'm done.
That's it? That's it. Angela to the whole that's it.
Come on.
Yeah. What did you do with that?
Now did you do this? You know you didn't flinch once. Oh my, it's a pushy chick. Turn around, make her see something. Oh my god.
So big.
It's your friend pushy now.
What?
Jealous waste works.
I know, right?
Jealous waste works. Just go. Let's help here, say here.
Don't say that.
I wanna.
Let's see where are you getting kids?
Right here. It's about to go down.
Yep.
I am petrified. God. Everything is clean. Oh yeah. Left. Okay. After I'll do a story time about how I lost the first person.
I am. You showed.
So hilarious. Where's my mother? Oh my god. Yeah. Is that a cool spot?
Demeno.
Somebody holds me. Somebody holds me.
But you don't have to move.
I have
So
to
relax.
Yes.
Yes.
I think this one is less painful.
Yes, done everything.
I like the way I'm comforting yourself.
See?
Oh, it's not painful.
Angie, I hate injections.
I love
Do
injections.
you know how I cry?
You see, that's the same thing I'm saying. The nose is painful.
And what about the
Septum. Hey, septum there will be painful.
My friend has it over here.
Ah, yeah.
What the called? Smart. Yeah.
Brain also like
That's
that
really
one.
so cute. Oh my god, here we go. Oh my god, oh my god.
He's done.
Woo!
He's done. Shit.
Woo!
He's done.
Goosebumps.
What the fuck? You see, it wasn't so painful. It's just a sharp pain. Shame on you.
Oh my god. Angie.
Sorry. Yes.
That's Angie. How's it looking? Am I a bad bitch here?
Of course. Soon.
Hey, Angela, don't you bring me?
A rim, I can't my then polish him. That one you won't even feel it. Yep.
I swear I'm not this dramatic on a regular, but oh my god. It's done?
Let's
Done?
see. Yep.
Congratulations.
Who is the baddest in this? Oh my god.
It's
Bad
you, baby.
bitch. Ah, let me
Why have you covered it?
I get the one you wear straight there. Make sure you get tangled.
tangled around.
Okay.
No swimming pool.
No swimming pool, no problem. I can't swim. Without December, don't finish. The budget is done. Okay. I like what? I like bling bling. This small blinking. It's pretty. Thank you very much. Thank you. I'll come again soon.